Hello guys, welcome to Moneyline Tips. In today's video I want to share with you some data. As of yesterday, a total of 656,000 naira was won on bet winners. As you remember, a few days ago I asked you guys to sign up on bet winners using my promo code, which is Moneyline, and a lot of subscribers sign up and also deposit to place a bet. And when they placed bet yesterday, they placed a bet of over 120,000 US dollars. How do I know this? Because I am an affiliate manager with bet winners, so I see every bet that everyone plays on bet winners. And then that yesterday they won over 658,000 US dollars. That is the equivalent of over 500 million naira in Nigeria that was won yesterday using my promo code and using my own predictions. So if you have not signed up on bet winners, kindly check the link in the comment section and sign up and use my promo code, which is Moneyline, to sign up. Do not forget to use the promo code to sign up. And then I track all this data to show you that people play bet a lot and they make so much money using our own prediction at Moneyline Tips. Okay guys, that is just for one bookmakers alone. And then you now talk of a sporty bet that a lot of people here in West Africa use to place bet, and that means they have won over $1 billion naira as of yesterday using my predictions. Okay, if you have not signed up on bet winners, I will leave the link in the comment section. And then today our VIP games also won with higher odds, and then we have one of the highest winner on sporty bet, which is won over 950,000 naira, and this is the ticket. So if you are interested in joining our VIP, I will leave the link in the comment section. You chat me up on WhatsApp. Please do not come to my WhatsApp and ask me for free games. I will block you, honestly. So if you need free games, go to our Telegram group and the Telegram channel. We post free games there, and a lot of good punters also post free games there on that Telegram channel. Do not come to my WhatsApp and ask me for free game, please. And then chat me up for business if you are interested in our VIP games, and also sign up on bet winners so that you benefit on this promo they are offering our subscribers. So if you sign up using my promo code, you get over $200 bonus, and also equivalent of 196,000 naira when you sign up using my promo code. Okay guys, that's all I need to announce for you today. And unfortunately, the free 2 odds for today did not go as planned. One of the game messed up. It did not play both teams to score, so it's quite unfortunate. Tomorrow we go again, and I believe tomorrow we also win tomorrow. Thank you for staying tuned, and always remember to bet responsibly.